Have you ever wondered how professional chocolatiers achieve that beautiful, glossy finish and satisfying snap in their creations? It's all thanks to a crucial technique called tempering. Without it, your chocolate might look dull, streaky, and melt too easily at room temperature. But don't worry, tempering chocolate at home is absolutely achievable, and we're here to show you how to master it for stunning results every time. First, you'll need to finely chop your chocolate. This helps it melt evenly and quickly. For best results, use a high-quality couverture chocolate, which has a higher cocoa butter content. Next, set up a double boiler by placing a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Melt about 2/3 of your chopped chocolate, stirring gently with a dry spatula until it reaches its initial melting temperature. For dark chocolate, aim for 115 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 46 to 49 degrees Celsius. For milk or white chocolate, target 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, about 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. Once your chocolate has reached its initial melting temperature, remove the bowl from the heat. Now, it's time to seed your chocolate. Add the remaining 1/3 of your finely chopped, untempered chocolate. This is your seed chocolate. To the melted chocolate, stir continuously and vigorously. The stable crystals in the seed chocolate will encourage the melted chocolate to form the desired stable beta crystals as it cools. Keep stirring until the chocolate cools down significantly. For dark chocolate, you're aiming for 84 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, about 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. For milk or white chocolate, cool it to 82 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. This cooling phase is crucial for forming those stable crystals. If you notice any stubborn chunks of seed chocolate, continue stirring until they fully melt into the mixture. Finally, it's time to gently rewarm your chocolate to its ideal working temperature. Place the bowl back over the turned-off double boiler for just a few seconds, or use very short bursts in the microwave at a low power setting. Stir constantly until the chocolate reaches 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for dark chocolate, or 86 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit for milk and white chocolate. This is the sweet spot where your chocolate is perfectly tempered and ready for dipping, coating, or molding. A quick temper test is essential. Dip the tip of a clean metal spatula or a piece of parchment paper into your chocolate. Let it sit at room temperature for 3 to 5 minutes. If it's properly tempered, it will set quickly, be smooth, shiny, and snap cleanly. If it's dull, streaky, or takes too long to harden, it's not in temper, and you might need to adjust the temperature or retemper. Always use a reliable digital thermometer, and remember, even a single drop of water can cause chocolate to seize, so keep all your equipment completely dry. Start learning today at Sikho.ai.